Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to fetch user details from admin REST API in Keycloak. So let's get started. So first I have Keycloak running by using this command locally with the help of Docker. It is on localhost colon 8080. I'll just enter the admin credentials, which is admin. Now the first thing to enable REST API is you need to first create a client. So for that you can just go to clients. We also, like, here you can see I have one realm which is master realm, which is created by default by Keycloak. So I'm not creating another realm. This is fine for me. I will just go to clients. I'll click on create client. Here I will just give it a client ID called my client. You can give it whatever name you feel like. And here I'll just click on next. I'll click on client authentication, and here I will check this direct access grant as well, and I'll click on next as well, and then I'll just click on save. Then yeah, that's it. Then what we need to do is first we need to get an access token, right? Also I'll just create one user just to prove it to you. I'll just make this email verified, abc at apc.com. okay, and here also abc, last name also abc. I'll click on create. If you want to give the credentials, you can do that as well, and if you want to give some role mapping, that you can do as well, but I'm not going into that. Let's come back to yeah, go to clients. First we need to run this API to get the access token. Now this should be your own domain. Like I said, my Keycloak is hosted on localhost colon 8080. That's why I'm using this. Then slash realms slash whatever is your realm name. So again I'm using the default master realm, that's why I'm using master over here. Then this would be common protocol OpenID connect slash token. Now here firstly it requires the username and password of the admin user, so that's what I have given over here. Then grant type is password. Then client ID, the client name which we have created, in my case it is my client, and then it is the client secret. So for that you can just go to your specific client. So this was the client, right? Go to credentials, and I'll just so this is the client secret. I'll just copy it and I'll paste it over here, and I'll click on send, and here you can see we have received the access token as well. Then this is the get request. So here again localhost colon 8080, you'll have to change your domain, and this should be your own realm name, and here you need to pass the email ID. So what was the email ID in our case? I already forgot. abc at abc.com, right? So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. Then go to headers. So this token is, I think, only valid for a minute. So again I have just regenerated a new one, otherwise that would have expired. So I'll just copy this, command C. Okay, I'll come over here, and here I'll just paste the token, command V, and I'll just click on send, and here you can see I'm able to get the user details. So but do notice that it gives in form of array. So yeah, be careful with this. I think there is an exact attribute as well. I'm not sure. Let's try exact equal to true, because email IDs will be unique, right? Okay, I think this is not working. I don't know why. So it gives in form of array. So yeah, here you will have to just fetch the first index from the array. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.